This 2024 Coachmen Chaparral 381DBL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Ardmore, Tennessee, 38449 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Ardmore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen and features a shimmer interior, sleeps 6, slide-out. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, rear bath, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.